Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Charlene Patton back down from Topeka with another exciting recipe, and this is a Soylicious Cobb salad.
It is, and it's another winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair Heart Healthy Recipe Contest. Tell us who won this.
It looks like it's Margaret Miller from Burdett, Kansas won this one.
And she got, I believe, third place with this recipe. I love it because this ranch dressing that she has, I figure will be something that your viewers will enjoy all summer long with their salads, and they can make their own ranch dressing. So we're going to show how to do that, and then I'll talk a little bit more about her salad. But we have mayonnaise in here, and if you look on a jar of mayonnaise, either the first or second ingredient is going to be soybeans. So that's our soybean product. And then we're going to add to that plain soy milk and some apple cider vinegar that I've mixed there together. We'll add that, just a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, and that kind of thins this out a little bit. And if this recipe is a little thicker than you'd like, just add a little bit more of the soy milk to it. Now we're going to add all these flavors to it. We have onion powder, we have garlic powder, you can add that, dill weed, what is this one here?
We got some parsley.
Parsley, dill weed, onion powder, and garlic powder. So just start adding them, and I'm going to start stirring so that blends it all together.
There's the parsley, and we've got, whoa, this is going to be one of those days. We got the dill weed here.
Dill weed.
Okay, next we have the garlic powder, I believe, and
onion powder. Great.
I'll make sure I got those in the right order there.
And then a little bit of salt and pepper.
Just a little bit of that salt and pepper there.
Okay, so now look, you've got a nice ranch dressing here.
Wow.
And that's easy to make, and one that you can vary the ingredients just a little bit to suit your taste. But again, if it's a little thick, make a great dip for relishes, salad, after school snacks for the kids, and a healthy one. Over here, what she did then was put together what she called a Cobb salad. And we have what she called the eggy tofu. And if you haven't had tofu before, this would be a fun recipe to try. Cut it into cubes. We're going to saute it and add a little seasonings to it. But that is what she said replaces the eggs in this. Gives you a nice protein boost. Then we have edamame, cherry tomatoes there, cucumbers. And then she topped it with a little bit of soy bacon. And the soy bacon I found in the freezer section in the grocery store. Sauteed it a little bit in the oven, in the skillet, following the directions, and then cut it into pieces. So that sprinkles on top of your salad.
All right, a delicious and another very colorful meal like the one we had last week.
Very colorful and a fun one to celebrate for spring.
And very spring-like looking for sure. Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, as we do every week, just a reminder, where can folks go for all these recipes?
They can go to kansassoybeans.org to our website, or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN.
And of course, all this information on our website, that's KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back right after this.